Hello guys, today we will solve the bio-inorganic questions of CSIR NET exams. Okay, in the June 2015, the 2 marks question is that the iron Fe and porphyrin bond distances in deoxy and oxyhemoglobin respectively are. Okay, the first point is 2.1 and 2 angstrom. The second option is the 2.0 and 2.0 angstrom. The third option is the 2.2 and 2.3 angstrom. The fourth option is the 2.3 and 2.5 angstrom. Which option will be the correct? As we remember that the structure of the deoxy form of the hemoglobin and oxy form of the hemoglobin, we can say that in the deoxy form of the hemoglobin, the iron atom is above the plane of the ring. As a result, this distance should be higher. Okay? When oxygen binds, the iron atom penetrates into the ring. And the ring becomes flat. As we know that in comparison to this bond distance will be short, because the iron atom as penetrate into the ring, the bond distance will be down. Okay, therefore this bond will be larger and this bond will be shorter. Okay, this bond will be the larger and this bond will be the shorter. One clue we have obtained that in the deoxy form, the nitrogen and iron bond will be larger, whereas in the oxy form, nitrogen and iron bond should be shorter. Therefore, what option will match? In the first option, the deoxy form has the 2.1 angstrom distance, whereas the oxy form has the 2.0 angstrom. Therefore, one option will be the correct, because the deoxy form has the larger nitrogen oxygen distance, whereas the oxy form has shorter nitrogen oxygen linkage, and therefore the correct option will be this, and D will be not the correct, because in the second option both the distances are the same. This will be not possible. Whereas in the third option, the deoxyform distance is shorter and oxyform distance is shorter, which is also not possible. This is not possible and this is not possible. Whereas in the fourth form, the deoxyform and deoxyform distance is shorter and oxyform distance is larger. Therefore, this is also be not possible. Therefore, only one option is remaining. Therefore, the first option will be the correct. Okay. Now we will solve another question. Another question. Okay. The question is that the biological function of the cytochrome P450 and myoglobin respectively are. Okay, the question which was asked is that the biological function of cytochrome P450 and myoglobin respectively are. Okay, the first point is the oxidation of alkene and O2 storage. Second point is the O2 transport and O2 storage. The third point is the O2 storage and electron carrier. Fourth option is the electron carrier and oxygen transport. Okay, which option will be the correct? As we know that the cytochrome P450 are a group of cytochromes which absorbs wavelength of light corresponding to 450 nanometer. That is, they absorb this wavelength of light. Okay, this cytochrome P450 functions as monooxygenase. That is, they function as a monooxygenase. That is, they have a capacity to introduce one oxygen atom into the substrate, and they have a tendency, cytochrome P450, they have a tendency to cleave the oxygen-oxygen bond, and one oxygen atom is converted into the water, whereas other oxygen molecule is inserted into the substrate. Therefore, there are how many reactions? There are a large number of reactions which are carried out by the cytochrome P450. That, for example, in the kidney of the human beings, there are insoluble hydrocarbons which are converted into the soluble alcohols by the cytochrome P450 enzymes. That is, this is the insoluble hydrocarbon plus 2H plus O2 plus 2 electron in presence of cytochrome P450. The one oxygen atom is inserted, and this will become into the soluble alcohol plus water molecule, and the other oxygen atom is converted into the water molecule. Okay, the other function of the cytochrome P450 is to convert the alkene into the epoxide. Okay, the other function of the cytochrome P450 is to convert aldehyde into the carboxylic acid, RCOOH. Okay, therefore the function of the cytochrome P450, the biological function of cytochrome P450 is the oxidation of alkene. Okay, and as we know that myoglobin acts as a oxygen storage, and therefore the first option will be the correct. Okay, this is all about for today. I hope you will like my video. So please subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon. Okay, thank you.